if confirmed, it's an astonishing state of affairs. Somali and African troops have fought a long and bitter battle against Al-Shabaab, and many have been killed. Somalia's army chief has denied the monitor's claims.
The world must know that there is no friendship between Al-Shabaab and us. We are enemies. It is not possible or even imaginable for us to sell our weapons to men who would kill us.
He says arms monitors twice visited the military's armories and left seemingly satisfied.
We didn't sell anything. We can account for all our weapons.
He says it's possible warlords may be selling their weapons.
This country has been at war for 22 years. There are lots of weapons in town which the government is not aware of. The warlords' arms are still in the market. It is therefore possible other parties sold their weapons, but it is not the Somali National Army.
Last year, Ugandan troops that are part of the AU's peacekeeping mission were accused of selling weapons and ammunition that ended up with Al-Shabaab. The Somali National Army has fought alongside the African troops in combating the Al-Qaeda-linked group Al-Shabaab, but its record on discipline has long been criticized. Just 2 weeks ago, 700 members of the force had been dismissed for failing in their duties. Mohammed Sirmogi, CCTV, Mogadishu.